The blend down on this lace, like I ain't even did nothing yet and the blend down is crazy. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This is the same shirt and the same look from another video because I'm breaking the fourth wall. I'm tired. I'm not changing. It's the same day. So this unit that I have is from Asteria Hair. It's a 10-inch bob. I think it's 10-inch. Don't let me say that directly. I'm gonna have to check. I'll put it in the description so nobody's getting confused. I'll have to check again, but it's giving a bit of like a Brazilian straight, it feels like. It's not too silky, not too yucky. I wouldn't consider it like a yucky straight though. I would definitely give it like a Brazilian feel. And what I love is that they pre-cut it jagged, so it's not straight across on your hairline. So even if you did cut it a little more because it's too uniform for you, you still have more room to work with than if they did just cut it straight. Straight just gives like, here's your skin, here's the wig. The inside of this unit looks like it's gonna be very comfortable. There's no combs, but it does have the adjustable band in it. I'll take that back. There's one comb in this unit in the back. Oh, I take that back too. There's two combs in the unit, one at the top, one in the back. And that is it. There's none on the sides. There's no adjustable strap. So if those things bother you around the perimeter, you'll probably be pretty comfortable in this wig. And that elastic band is actually adjustable. So if you do need to adjust your wig, you can use it like that. So the knots are not pre-bleached. They are straight up, if it'll focus, they're straight up regular knots. I don't know if you can totally tell on camera. It doesn't look bad. The pre-pluck job actually looks great. Y'all see how like done this looks already? The part goes super far back. This is a closure unit, so you do have the space if you want to change up the part a little bit or shift it a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it in the middle part. So my only qualm with this so far, we're not done yet, so don't judge this, is I wish the wig was a little bit bigger. This wig, I get the point because it's supposed to be a glueless unit, one of those pop it on and goes. You know, it's not gonna fit perfect. They're gonna be a little more on the snug side. Oh, this lace is giving though. But I kind of don't have enough. Like I need more wig to adjust this to fit my head right. I think I got just enough space to slide it back to make sense. I don't need to pluck this hairline. It looks so good. All right, I am gonna touch it a little bit. Not nothing crazy though, just a little bit. The blend down on this lace, like I ain't even did nothing yet and the blend down is crazy. Like I said, the only thing for me is the construction's not giving and my hair is braided down, so there's kind of no reason for the construction to not be giving for me. They did send me a large cap size, so you know, if you do choose to pick up this unit, just know this is probably something it's looking like for the smaller head. But for my girls who got small heads, this is for you. Cause I know I be seeing comments where it's like, oh, I got a really small head, it's gonna work for me, or boots always hanging off the back. This ain't gonna do that to you. This one will not do that. So I'm gonna take my wax, cause I really want this to lay. I think it has more to do with my head shape than anything, but I do wish that this was a little bit fuller. Or maybe I just need to mess with the curls a little bit. But the fact that we pretty much done already. So I really wanted to see you guys if I could get this to give me just the fullness I was looking for without needing any more hair in the unit. If you hear the child in the background, don't mind that. That's my nephew. I'm babysitting right now. I thought maybe by putting the hot comb to the front a few more times, I could get it to lift. And, you know, like I said, just give me some more volume. That was my only thing with this unit. Outside of that, it's a really great unit. Like, this is a very great beginner-friendly unit. If you're new to wigs, this is like, hop on this one. Because that lace, I didn't have to do much of nothing. I ain't even tinted it yet. And it's already looking great. But I went in with my flat iron. I was going to say hot comb, but that's what we just did. But I went in with my flat iron and tried to like bump it some more, you know, just try to give it more volume in some kind of way. But it really wasn't, you know, giving me much more. It gave me a little bit more, but not much more. But it did give me more of a bump under by, you know, well, bumping it under, obviously. Y'all, I'm just stuck on this lace because what lace? This looks like I'm just showing y'all me doing my hair, and this is a closure. I didn't use mousse or nothing. All I did was lightly touch it with a little bit of foundation. And then again, me trying to get some volume. I thought maybe if I added a little bit of layerage with my razor, maybe something would shake. I actually got a bend in the hair too, right there, because I went a little too hard trying to get that bump under.
I have regrets. I couldn't fully get it out, but it came out after a while. Like, if that happens to you, you can always just wash the hair. I hate when that happens, though. I was determined to get the volume. Now, looking back at the video right now, it looks fine. But in person, I just was like, it's so flat to my head. Maybe I just needed to adjust because I'm used to wearing kinky straight or like voluminous units. So I had to adjust to something being flat to my head. But anyways, I touched up the part. I used my eyebrow pencil in black because this is a jet black unit. And this was the final result. And this was fire.
Oh my god, y'all, this unit was so easy, like so easy. I literally popped it on, styled it, and went about my business. My only thing is, for my head shape, I do wish this was just a little bit fuller. But like, if a thinner bob usually works for you, you should be fine with this. It's just me, I would like it a little more full, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. Sleek bob with a little angle on the back of it. Ain't did that in a minute. The lace is amazing. The parting is so far back, you guys. Like, this is a good wig. If you're interested in this unit and you already know, everything will be down in the description box below for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.